We all want to make our parents proud. We all want to pat our back and say, hey, I'm so proud of myself and my achievements. But when we are working in biotech industry, we are surrounded with so much of negativity and so many naysayers who say there's nothing happening, there will be no growth, and probably you'll never be able to achieve your dreams. It's very important to, stay put to our dreams. It's very important to cling to our dreams and make them a reality. It's very important to make our parents proud of our achievements. And if that has to happen, then today's video is a must-watch for all of you. Very important factor here before even I start the video is this video can be applied to any sector. So whether you are from the biotech industry or any other industry, you can apply the pointers there also. Today, I'm going to give you 18 pointers. Probably it will be a little longer video, so you can always increase the speed of your video. But all the 18 pointers are very powerful and they are action pointers. It is not that I'm just going to give you some gyan. It is going to help you transform your life in a better way. And to start the transformation process, we need to get started. Welcome back. So now we are going to get started with the topic, which is make yourself and your parents proud. Whether you are in biopharma sector or any other sector, this video is going to help you. And today I have got 18 pointers for all of you. In these 18 pointers, I have spent around 2 days to write these for all of you. And today I'm going to present it in front of you. The first pointer for today is going to be outline the expectations of your parents, because your parents' expectations are very important for you. I know you want to make them proud. So it is very important to write down whatever is their expectation. Remember, if you are trying to accomplish anything in your life, if you have not written it down, probably you will never accomplish it. We all want to make our parents proud. We all want to pat our back and say, hey, I'm so proud of myself and my achievements. But when we are working in biotech industry, we are surrounded with so much of negativity and so many naysayers who say there's nothing happening, there will be no growth, and probably you'll never be able to achieve your dreams. It's very important to, stay put to our dreams. It's very important to cling to our dreams and make them a reality. It's very important to make our parents proud of our achievements. And if that has to happen, then today's video is a must-watch for all of you. Point, because of course you have to make yourself proud and your parents proud. That's why I'm saying write down both the pointers. Okay. Now the third pointer is choose the path. So now you know the expectations of your parents. Look at your expectations, make an overlap, and then choose your path, which direction you want to go. And that path can always be chosen easily if you have the right mentor, with which I'll come a little later. But yeah, so you need to choose a path. You need to choose whether you want to go into the biochemistry field, whether you want to go into microbiology, genetics, or whatever field you want to get into. So, you need to choose your path. The next one, do your own research on internet. Very important. Many students, they ask me in comments, sir, mujhe ye karna hai, I want to do this. Is it the right thing? Why do they ask this? Because they are doing their own research, right? So go and ask multiple people on internet. Go to Reddit, go to Quora, go to Biotecnika, and ask. Okay, come to me, ask. I'm always available. The LinkedIn link is given below. You can connect with me directly and you can ask me questions. I'll reply. So you ask multiple people, take their opinion, and then after your research is done, then jot down the points. Okay, these are the action pointers which all these people said, so which one is right for me, and then do that. Okay, the next pointer would be analyze the hurdles. Now, before even you analyze the hurdles, when you are doing your research on internet, you would have found your mentor. Actually, when you're doing the research, you will find somebody who is very convincing, who spent time with you, who answered all your questions patiently, and probably that person can be your mentor, your distant internet mentor. But yeah, now the next point is analyze the hurdles. So now that you know the path, you know your mentor, and you've done your own research, now write down what can be the speed breakers to your career. Okay, it could be lack of information, it could be a lack of opportunities, it could be lack of education or skill set. Write down these things. Okay, the next one, look for true mentors who can help. Now, just now I told you this already, but yeah, so when you're looking for true mentors, you will find a lot of fake mentors. So it's like, when we are looking to hire someone for our company, so we get thousands of CVs, so we are looking for a truly passionate person. The same way, you have to look for a mentor who is himself an implementer. Now, if somebody who is a mentor but not an implementer, he himself has not done things, and probably he's just talking gas and smoke. He's not talking something real. So that is very important. Look for mentors who are themselves implementers. Now, people who just started making videos or started taking classes on internet for like last 2-3 years, they are not mentors. They're just here to make money. You have to look for people who have done, spend time 10 years, 15 years, 60, 20 years in the industry. Those will be the real mentors. Okay, because they have seen seasons of recession, peak time, biopharma, boom, as well as biopharma decline. All that they would have seen, so they can suggest you in a better way. Don't just look for somebody who just started making some random videos on YouTube, and that person is very experienced. That's not the case. Okay, so look for true mentors. The next pointer which I have got for you is analyze the resources which you will need. Okay, so now you know the path. You know the mentor, you know the hurdles. Now write down what all things you will need. Will you need an internship? Will you need a certification? Will you need to attend some conferences? Do you need to publish some papers? Do you need to, do your PhD? What all things you need to do? Do you need to write CSIR, GATE, ICMR? What all things you need to do? Write it down. Okay, so now these becomes your action pointers. Remember, I told you in this video, I'm going to give you complete action pointers because biopharma industry demands action. Biopharma industry is a knowledge-driven, knowledge-intensive industry. You need to act. Every knowledge which you have is potential power. It is not true power. Unless you apply that knowledge, whatever I'm saying you today, that will help you, achieve success in your life. Now, the next point which I have for you is plan, execute, and stay productive. Now, without a plan, there's no, you're just daydreaming. So whatever you did in the previous point, it's all daydreaming if you do not plan it. Okay, so write down, okay, if these are the things I have to do, in which year I'm going to do what, in which month I'm going to do what, write it down. Okay, and it will sound very silly actually. Whatever I'm saying, it sounds very silly and like a computer I'm talking about, but even computers are computer because they're systematic. So if you're systematic with your career, you will get better success. But that's something which you should know. Now, important thing here, the next point, don't get emotional. Okay, very important. It's like, have you seen a doctor operating on an operation table? If he becomes emotional, will he be able to cut through the patient? He cannot, right? The same thing here. You have to remember, if you get emotional with your career, you cannot achieve success. You have to be clinical. Okay, I pursued this course, but after attending for 1.5 years, it is not of any use to me. Drop it, go for the next. Don't think that I have already wasted 1 year, so I should complete it. It's not the right thing. Okay, if you did half a year or 1 year into this and now you're not feeling driven, leave it, go for something which you are passionate about. Remember, when passion is your fashion, nobody can compete with you, and you want that to happen. You want to be proud of yourself and you want to be proud of your parents. Okay, so don't get emotional with your career, be clinical with your career. If need be, leave it. If need be, quit. But if need be, you have to stay focused and productive in your path, and that's what I have written here. How do you stay productive in your path? I've told you in my previous video also. If you want to accomplish something, get up early. If you can't, still write a plan of the day, what you're going to do, and do it in a systematic way. Okay, have check boxes which you keep ticking off as you finish. By the time you reach evening or night, you will see that 70% of the work which you could do. Imagine if you could plan 10 tasks and you could achieve 7. That's amazing superhuman ability, let me tell you. Others cannot achieve that. Okay, so don't be emotional and clinical with your career. Now, next, moving on to the next point which I have got for you, which is the 10th point, and that is reverse engineer successful biotech professionals. This is again a superpower. Remember, you have so many examples in front of you. You have the Mazumdar Shaws of biotech world, you have the Serum Institutes of the biotech world, you have Dr. Reddy's of the biotech world. Whatever you want to do, whether it is entrepreneurship, whether it is research, whether it is teaching, whether it is postdoc, PhD, whatever you want to do, look at some successful role models and look at the steps they followed and reverse engineer it. And hey, you don't need to go that far. Just go to LinkedIn and look for some successful professionals. There are many of them, right? In last video, I profiled Dr. Prasoon. Maybe him, maybe someone who is a role model, and then reverse engineer them. That's the mantra, okay? The student of today, mark my words, the student of today watching this video can be the head of science and technology department of our country, but he has to believe first. He has to have faith first. He has to have the action plan first. Then only he can get there. Okay. Moving ahead, the next point which I have got for you is the 11th point, very important point. Know that no one gets success in a day. Where I'm working right now, okay, the mouse which I use, below that the mouse pad, it has one line written, and that is all good things take time. Yeah. That's right. All good things take time, and I keep it below my mouse pad because I always keep seeing it, because everything, all good things in this world takes time, including the person who is watching this video. Probably your age is 23 to 25 or 28. You took those many years to become what you are today. So it will take some time, some more time probably, to become a better version of you, right? So don't just start cursing yourself saying that no, things are not going to work my way. And that's where comes my next point. Never quit on your dreams. If you really want to be proud of yourself, then never quit on your dreams. This world probably works on profit, but you have to work on your dream. If your dreams has to be accomplished, you have to be ready to, take losses. Let me give you an example of Elon Musk. He had money for 4 rockets. Okay, first rocket blasted off, didn't work. Second one, midway blasted off, didn't work. The third one, midway blasted off, didn't work. He had only money left for 1 rocket. After that, his company would have, gone bankrupt. But he still took the risk. He never gave up on his dream, and today he is one of the richest man in this universe. So the same thing goes and applies to you. If you quit on your dreams, then nobody will take you seriously, not even you yourself, right? So never quit on your dreams. The 13th point, target the moon, fall among the stars. This is a beautiful line. I always, make sure I incorporate this. Whether you want to get to the top of biotech sector or any other sector in this world or country, remember, you have to have high thinking, okay? High thinking and prolific living, optimistic living, then only you can achieve. You have to target big things. Anybody can achieve small things. Probably just doing a PhD is your goal. No, PhD is a passport to become a senior scientist. Senior scientist is your goal. No, become a chief scientific officer of some organization. If CSO is your goal, no, think of something bigger, better, always, but go step by step. Have a big goal, big dream, chart out a plan, go step by step. Okay, target the moon, fall among the stars, right? That's what is stardom all about. And you have to be the star of biopharma industry. And this is the video, this is the path to go about. Moving ahead, the next pointer which I've got for you is the 14th point. Take risk, never be afraid of taking risk. Now, what happens when you take risk? You either succeed or you fail. Failure is also an achievement. Failure is also one milestone before success. You are at least better than those who never tried. Let me give you an example. So I'm making this video. Probably a few people among you will watch it, right? Rest will just scroll up, right? But I'm still better than that person who made this video. Right? So procrastination is not going to help. Take risk. Never be afraid. You want to go abroad for your PhD, postdoc job? Don't be afraid. Take it. Okay? Probably you're the only single child of your parent, but still you want to go to Germany and do your MBA or PhD, whatever it is there. Do it. You want to go to UK. You want to stay in India, but you want to work in IAC, but you don't want to take the risk of dropping 1 year. Why? Take the risk. A famous series mein I had heard, risk hai to isk hai. Do it. Okay, risk everybody has to take. But if you become afraid, remember, fear is a paper tiger. कागजी शेर है, ये आपको डरा नहीं सकता. You have to take risk. Then only you can build bigger things. You can make bigger achievements, and then only you'll be proud of yourself. And even if you fail, how does it matter? At least you tried. Correct. Moving ahead, the 15th point for you is convince, collaborate, cooperate, create, and compete, but never curse yourself. Now, very important point. When you are talking to your parents, they will say, my dream is that you want to do this job. But you say, no, my dream is to do this. Right now, there is clash. Don't clash. Try to convince. Try to find a middle ground where they are also happy and you are also safe, because they want your safety and you want your happiness. You want your dreams to be fulfilled. So convince them. Collaborate with your parents, with your uncles, with your cousins, with someone online like me, right? We're not strangers here, right? We know each other, right? So you've met me in so many videos. Let's meet on LinkedIn, or you can directly mail me, shekhar@biotecnika.org. Drop me a mail. Well, let's collaborate. Let's cooperate. Let us create newer things and newer opportunities for the next generation, or just for you. Probably you'll have to compete. CSIR, NET, GATE, all these entrance exams will be there. But whatever happens, don't curse yourself that I'm not good enough, because I know you are good enough. Because you took charge. You're watching this video till this point, right? You're good enough. Moving ahead, next pointer for you is sky is the limit. Even sky is not the limit. You have tremendous potential in the universe. Exceptions are everywhere, and you have to become that exceptional person who can achieve. Remember, your life, your personality is like an onion. Today you think you are not capable of this, but tomorrow you will realize, hey, I was always capable. Right? For example, when I started Biotecnika, I was the most shyest person on earth probably. And today you can see I talk so much. Right? So I didn't know that I have this kind of personality, but I had discovered. So that's what happens when you think in the right direction, when you don't limit yourself and become exceptional. Okay? Moving ahead, whenever you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Just right hand side to where I'm sitting, there is a quotation written over there, and it says, whenever you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Because when you quit, that's when you will never be proud of yourself. And I want you to be proud of yourself. I want your parents to be proud of yourself. I want myself to be proud of yourself, right? So one exercise for you, whatever is your achievement or failure, put them down in the comment section. Tell me what is your dream and what you want to achieve. I'll help you achieve your dream. Moving ahead, the last point of the day, and that is follow Biotecnika. 16 years of hard work is going to help you. It'll help you become successful in your dream, because I have a dream that I want to see you successful in your dream. Very soon I'm going to award the first alumni of Biotecnika in one of my next videos, and you will see how Biotecnika and we helped her achieve her dreams. You'll realize that you can be one among them 10 years from today. And I would be interviewing you. Probably my hairs will be a little more white, but still a little more gray, but still I'll be interviewing you and telling the next generation about your success and achievement. So this is all about Biotecnika. This is all about all of you. This is all about the dreams which you can accomplish in today's world. I know one thing for sure in this, grand scheme of things, and that is, if you have decided to achieve on your dream, nobody in this world can stop you. Not even me. Let us create, let us collaborate, let us work together to help you achieve your dream. So tell me what's your dream, put them down in the comment section, and I'll come back to you probably with some more helpful videos which will help you accomplish your dream and your parents' dream. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was wonderful once again, interacting with all of you. But before you go, why don't you subscribe? This is the best channel for biopharma industry you can get. So go ahead, subscribe, press the bell icon, because here's what I have to say. You will win if we all collaborate. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.